I got introduced to meth because I was hanging around the wrong people and started using, and then got in deep addiction, lost my son, and then after losing him, I kind of gave up on everything, and I ended up going from having close-knit family to losing and pushing away everybody that cared about me because they didn't want me doing it, but I couldn't stop. I went to rehab 3 times, left twice, and then the 3rd time I was pregnant with my 2nd son. So I'm 8 months pregnant, living where I lived before I went to rehab around a bunch of other addicts, and I relapsed. And that caused me to go into labor. And I had my son, and we both tested positive, and I lost him at 3 days old. I didn't want to go back to inpatient, so I started seeing people at the health department. Billy Joe, my normal counselor, wasn't there that day. So Tara was like, I can see her. And I'm like, okay. And so I went in there and she saved my life. She believed in me when nobody else did. She was like, I'm gonna hook you up with Aetna. She's the head of OhioMeansJobs. She can help you get, start future plans. And then they were able to help me with my peer support. And then she got me on a work experience. And I was able to actually work at the health department. After I got my peer support, I was able to start as a peer supporter there. Working in the field of recovery every single day, I am working at my recovery. And I'm staying humbled by the people that come in. Like, I go to the jail and I see clients sitting in orange. You're gonna listen to me if you can see that I came from where you were. Like, I was at rock bottom, I worked my way to the top, and I'm reaching my hand back down. I would absolutely not be where I am right now without Aetna and OhioMeansJobs. There's no way, because I could never have afforded it, and I would never have believed in myself enough to do it.